The ministry justice doubles its efforts to provide a beak to former President Donald Trump and death penalty and head of Common Chief General Staff Mark Milley. Doj prosecutors claimed that former president could affect the legal procedure with aggressive public declarations and made a request for a beak order at beginning of this month. This request was strengthened by prosecutors criticizing Milley's telephone conversation to Chinese colleagues after Milley's January 6, 2021 protests, writing a series of charges against Trump's platform Real Social. Trump demands court to ignore the request for beak order of Doj Trump. Milley's fake news reporting is correct. In fact, U.S. and U.S. President are warning that arrested to preside thought a train debris turned out. He continued, "This is such a terrible action that the punishment would happen when it passed." Jack Smith, a special consultant, pushes the gag order after Trump's comments on Milley. Trump. Comment on punishment. U.S. Special Advisor Jack Smith speaks at a press conference at Washington, D.C. The defendant should not be allowed to continue to try this case in public court, not in the legal court, and thus weaken fairness and integrity of this process. The Trump team fought demands for a beak order, claiming that the former president would be a violation of civil rights. Trump's legal team issued a 25-page summary to condemn Doj's request and expressed the freedom of speech and the necessity of transparency. The prosecution silences President Trump midst a political campaign in which he is at top of right to criticize government, where this prosecution is at summit a political campaign order to avoid reducing public opinion. Original article source prosecutors Trump's death comment on Milley quote again in the request.